So once we have Propresenter open, you'll notice that it's very blank. We're just going to go up here to Window, Welcome to Propresenter, Continue, Continue, Continue. And what we're going to do is we're going to click Get Sample Content, and that there will download the sample content in the background, and it will allow us to have lots of sample content here. This circle shows how long it has to download and how the progress is going. Once it's finished downloading, you'll have things to play with. And there we go, all finished. When I click Sample, all of our sample content appears below. And we now have some things we can start playing with in Propresenter. Thanks for watching this fast Propresenter 7 tutorial. Don't forget that if you found this confusing or you'd like more information, our longer tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel.